Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Asthma. So what to be put in it? Ingredients: 1 teaspoon licorice root, 1 thumb of fresh ginger root, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of dried mullein leaves, honey to taste, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: wash and slice the fresh ginger. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the licorice root, ginger, turmeric, and mullein to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to extract the active compounds from the herbs. Strain into a cup to remove the solids, and add honey to taste. How do we use it? Drink 1 cup of this tea once or twice a day, especially during times when respiratory symptoms are more pronounced. Add the honey to taste, as it is optional. Note: this tea is not to be consumed by those with high blood pressure, heart disease, or taking medications for heart or the liver. Although this tea provides support for the care of asthma, it should not replace any prescribed asthma medications. It is essential to follow medical advice for asthma management and consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen. My favorite part: how does it work? Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, which soothes the throat and reduces cough. Ginger has gingerols and shigols that help reduce inflammation in the airways and can inhibit contractions, which help to ease breathing. Turmeric has curcumin that acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory and reduces chronic inflammation associated with asthma, while mullein helps to clear the mucus from the airways and facilitates easier breathing. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.